Round 1. Cars.
We're gonna start with Tribby Wadi Bhozza. Yo, I won't lie, this boy has quite an impressive collection of cars, showing off luxury and performance. First up, he owns a red Volkswagen Golf 7 GTI, a sporty hatchback known for its speed and power. It features 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 169 kilowatts, and it's valued at roughly 580,000 depending on its condition and model year. He also drives a stylish Mercedes-Benz A200, part of the A-Class lineup that blends comfort and elegance. This model is priced anywhere between 400,000 rands and 800,000 rands in South Africa, depending on whether it's a hatchback or a sedan version. For his travels and comfort, Tribby has a Mercedes-Benz V-Class, a luxury van perfect for long drives and carrying friends or family in style. The V-Class is valued between 1.3 million rands and 2.3 million rands, making it one of the most premium vehicles in his garage. He also owns a sleek Volkswagen Scirocco, a sporty two-door coupe admired for its design and performance, estimated to cost between 200,000 and 350,000 rands. Recently, Tribby has been spotted driving a black BMW 3 Series, though it's unclear whether it officially belongs to him. If it does, its price could range anywhere from 220,000 for older models to over 900,000 rands for newer ones. Overall, Tribby's car collection reflects his refined taste for German engineering, combining luxury, performance, and everyday practicality. Moving on to Shebeshkt, he's known for his love of stylish, high-performance cars, and his collection perfectly reflects that. First up in his pride and joy, a blue Volkswagen Golf R8, which he affectionately nicknamed Charlie Blue. This beast is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 235 kilowatts, paired with a Volkswagen 4Motion all-wheel drive system and a sleek DSG gearbox, making it one of the most powerful hot hatches on South African road. The Golf 8R delivers both luxury and speed, with its price starting at around 1 million. Following closely behind is his Volkswagen Polo R line, which he bought after crashing his loved Polo GTI in 2023. The Polo R line is powered by a 1.0 TSI engine that produces 85 kilowatts, featuring sporty R-line styling and modern tech features that make it a fun yet practical daily drive. This model goes for about 500,000 depending on the trim and extras. Even though it doesn't match the raw power of Charlie Blue, the R-Line still carries Shebesht's signature flair and love for Volkswagen performance, proving that whether it's a luxury hot hatch or a compact cruiser, he always rides in style.